Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Again, we're on Max Waters' Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There's a link in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon if you want to solve along with me. Looks like today we're doing number 149. Let's start with this square here. Looks like we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 2, 5. Same here. That means our 9 has to be here. For this box, looks like we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got a 1 and 3 here. A 3 here. So 1, 3. For this row then, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here. So 4, 6. For this box now, looks like we're missing a 2 and a 9. We've got a 9 here. So 2, 9. For this bottom row then, looks like we're missing a 4 and a 6. And I don't see any help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. For this row, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 1 and a 5 here, so this is our 2. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this column now, looks like we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 there, so 4, 8. And an 8 there, so 4, 6, and that means the only place our 8 can be is here. Look at this row, looks like we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got a 2 and an 8 here, so this is our 9, and that 8 makes this our 2, so our 8 is here. We look at this column then, looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 4, no help here, so 3, 4, 5, and a 3 and a 5 there. So that makes this our 4, so this is our 3 and our 5, and that 4 makes this our 6, 4, and 6. If we look at this column now, looks like we're missing 2, 3, and 4. Got a 2 here, so 3, 4. 3 and 4 here, so 2. No help here, so that's our 3 and 4. For this box, looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 6. There's no help here. 3, 4, 6, and same here. 3, 4, 6. For this box, looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 3 and a 4 here, so this is our 7. But no help here, so 3, 4. For this column, looks like we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 7, and a 2 and 7 here. So that means this is our 5, which makes this our 2, and our 7. And that 2 makes this our 5. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. And that means that we can get rid of this 4 here. For this box then, looks like we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 3 and 9 here, so this is our 2. And 9 here, so that makes this our 3 and our 9. That 3 makes this our 4. So again, we can get rid of this 4. That means the only place our 4 can be in this column is here, and that makes this our 3. Finish out this row then. We've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this box now, looks like we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got the 8 covering here, so 2, 6, but we've got a 2 here. So that means this is our 6, 2, and 8. And the 6 makes this our 3 and 6. To finish out this row, we're missing a 1. And for this box, then it looks like we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here. So 7 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.